Welcome back to Design Guy. Today, I'll show you how to switch and personalize your iPhone keyboard easily. To get started with customizing our iPhone keyboard, we need to install a new keyboard app. For example, if we want to use SwiftKey, we'll need to download and install it first. This will give us the foundation for making changes to our keyboard. Next, we head to our iPhone's settings. We're looking for the General Settings section, which is where we manage our device's core features. Within General Settings, we'll find the Keyboard option. This is where all our keyboard settings and customization options are located. Now, we open the keyboard settings and select Add New Keyboard, which will bring up a list of available options, including the third-party app we installed earlier, allowing us to add and activate it, and our newly installed keyboard will appear here, ready to be selected and used on our iPhone. We'll select our new keyboard and then customize it, which may include giving it full access to our iPhone, allowing for more advanced features and functionality, such as predictive text and personalized suggestions, to really make the keyboard our own. With our new keyboard selected and customized, we can now see it in action, which is exciting. We have the ability to switch between keyboards easily from here, a convenient feature for comparing or using different keyboards for various tasks, such as typing in different languages or using specialized keyboards. If we want to switch back to our original keyboard or try out another one, we can do so by tapping the globe button. This button allows us to quickly switch between all installed keyboards. Sometimes, we might only want to use a different keyboard temporarily. In such cases, we can easily switch back and forth without having to go through the settings each time. Custom iPhone keyboards made easy. Check the description for a special keyboard deal, like and subscribe.